Get ready for dictation, please. 5 seconds. Start. Madam, one more thing that I have to tell is that the existing forecasting mechanism has totally failed in anticipating these shortages. Even as late as in September 1998, the bumper Kharif onion crop was forecast and the consequent return to the normalcy was expected. The prime responsibility for the national level forecasting lies with the union government, who have the overall picture of the production at various stages in different states. But this has not been looked into by the government. The status of import and export at the national consumption requirement, which leads to accurate and more reliable forecast, has also not been managed by the government. We have seen that leaving essential commodities to the vagaries of market forces of demand and supply leads definitely to price rise. Public distribution system has a definite policy for market intervention in rice, wheat and sugar. So there is a need for the government policy supported by legislation and infrastructure for management of these commodities. All these should be managed by a designated agency who can handle the procurement and marketing of these commodities. This designated agency should be controlled and funded by the union government, and the state government should accord cooperation and coordination through the identified state government undertakings for managing the state level distribution. There is a serious allegation that wholesalers and traders, by way of hoarding and speculation, are primarily responsible for the price rise, and much has been said about the Essential Commodities Act. So, hoarding must be checked and stringent action must be taken against the hoarders. There is also price rise at the major centers of cultivation and production, and it becomes exceedingly difficult for the consuming states to control the prices of those commodities which are imported from other states. The government should ensure free movement of all essential commodities into the state and also ensure that wholesalers and traders keep their profit margin to the minimum. The government should ensure that the government undertakings and cooperatives the minister has said just now should enter the market and sell all the essential commodities without profit. It should also take stringent steps against black marketeers as hoarders. The prefixation of prices of free trade commodities under the Essential Commodities Act should be made more effective. To make it more effective, prices fixation needs to be done at the center of the cultivation, production and wholesale trade, and on this basis the consuming states should fix a price giving all allowance for transportation, handling, storage and trade management. The government should also seriously consider fixing a minimum support price for protecting the farmers as well as giving maximum sale price to protect the consumers against the price rise. The minister has already said about the high fluctuation in the price of vegetables, which is a matter of great concern to all of us because the vegetables have become an essential part of the common man's diet. Different vegetables grow in different seasons. During off season, to get the vegetables, one has to depend on the neighboring states. But the vegetables that are grown during season should be preserved for the rest of the year, and for this we do not have any facility for cold storage. Appropriate technology should be developed to store vegetables in small cold storages. Liberal subsidies should be provided to develop cold chain infrastructure linking vegetable producing areas of one state to another state for export of vegetables. The subsidies available from the National Horticulture Board and the Ministry of Food Processing are difficult to access. The NCDC scheme of cold storage has a very high cost of borrowing. These schemes should carry concessional rate of interest for poorer states having inadequate infrastructure. We strongly urge upon the government to take up necessary short-term as well as long-term measures to control the present price situation as well as to prevent the recurrence. The prices are pushed up because of the mismanagement in economy by the government. There is a huge laxity on the part of the government. The government should wake up now. We have already heard about the agriculture minister, and the government should take urgent steps in this regard. We know that the government has exploded a nuclear bomb, but it has failed completely to curb the price explosion. During the last few months, there has been an upward spiral of prices of all essential commodities, particularly of oil, pulses, rice, onions, and other vegetables. The problem was faced by all the people of India, particularly the poor people. We should all feel sorry for this sorrowful plight of the common man. The reasons are many. Its effects on the poor man's suffering is very large. The government should ensure proper coordination between Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Civil Supplies.